scared. I don't want to do it.
Let's read it.
For outdoor use only.
I'm too scared.
Directions to use. Hold upright with sound funnel facing away and press top button to blast. Do not shake before or during use.
I just shook it. Why does it say not to shake?
Do not shake before or during use.
What happens if
Caution! Use only as directed. Always use upright. Do not shake, tilt, convert, or store in pockets. Liquid contents may cause frostbite from freezing on contact with skin. Flush with water, contact position, if such freeze burns occur. Warning, contents under pressure. Do not puncture or incinerate container. Do not expose to heat or store at temperature above 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep out of reach of children.
You're a great reader.
Do not pierce or burn even after use. Intentional misuse by deliberately concentrating and inhaling contents may be harmful or fatal. Do not use near ears. It's pointed at your cheek. For adult use only.